Father, November 6th, 2013. I want to take you back to Sola, and this is a Sola monthly chart TAN going back to April of this year. What I want to discuss here is coming off the lows of 2009. Sola had a slight rally with the market, but since then, coming into 2010, had this major slide. Now this slide is absolutely important at the time because the markets were doing precisely the opposite. We got markets continued making all-time highs while Sola was on a downtrend. Now coming into early this year, I started preparing you guys for what Sola could do, because I started telling you guys that the Sola chart was starting to look interesting. Why? Because I saw the possibility of the RSI breaking out here, and also the MACDs at the time were making fresh moves to new highs. So we started looking at that Sola space in April, and also we see that the other MACD was moving above zero here. So there were some things that were starting to percolate as far as Sola was concerned. So we started playing Sola, I would say about April of this year, in anticipation of a snapback rally after they were out of favor for a while. So move forward 2 months later, you see that finally we get this breakout in Sola here on the RSI on the monthly, and then the MACDs were way above zero here and already trading at all-time highs on the TAN. So by the time we are trading here, or by the time Sola is breaking out here, just about $25, we were all over this trade. This was an absolute buy signal here, confirmation of the previous interest in Sola, and this here was a must consider as a buy when we saw that look. And if you go back, some of the stocks that have done well for us, SPWR, our first interest was here and again here. So this one has done well. We also had interest in this one when it broke out here. So that was that entry point there. That's done very well for us there. Since then, take a look at another Sola name that I did not have this as a buy, so this was not a buy on our list, but just goes to show you how Sola has been strong. We were playing other Sola names at the time. At the same time, we were also playing YGE. I think our entry point was, I believe, this here and here. So we had two entry points, most recent one being here. So that's what you want to look for whenever you want to find the best sectors in the market. It's not a secret that they need to meet those two minimum requirements.